It feels like a really genuine partnership where Rackspace are embracing our mission and doing what they can to help us make a difference. What I've really been blown away with is Rackspace's enthusiasm to find out what more they can do with us, how else they can help us. And that comes through all levels of the organisation, from the CTO who has spent time with us and spoken at our conferences and got to know us, through to the rackers who've come and volunteered at our London to Brighton events and have arranged fundraising days for British Heart Foundation. Another thing that we're collaborating on that I'm really excited about is an initiative to try and educate girls and young boys about opportunities to work in science and technology.
It will be female role models who are actually going to these schools and demonstrating how female role models are working in the technology world. That's what we are trying to do, get youngsters really excited about becoming a scientist or a technologist or an engineer.
Partnerships are hugely important for us, all sorts of different ways. We work very closely with the NHS, we work obviously very closely with academia as a research funder. We work with a range of technology partners, both to support the business but also to support our mission. So I think it's going to be a big theme for us in the future.
We try to be really enthusiastic and excited about how we can deliver the best service and the best support to the people that we work with, and Rackspace are really doing the same as well.